Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wina. Today we're going to take a look at something called the 5-number summary. So 5-number summary. In fact, this is important in order to identify outliers and also remove them. So in this 5-number summary, of course, we'll have 5 things to look into. So first, we will see the minimum number. So minimum, we'll find out the minimum number. Second, it will be the first quartile, which is Q1. Third is the median, that is the middle number in the dataset. Fourth is the third quartile, which is Q3. And fifth is to find out the maximum number. Okay, and this is all important. The use to remove outliers. Okay, so let us say we have a data set with different numbers. Let us see. So we have 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, and 27. Okay, I'm sure you have guessed in this dataset what is our outlier. But in a dataset with thousands of numbers, you won't be able to see it. So this is why we use the 5-number summary. So let's take a look at how we are going to go about. There are two things, something called as the lower fence. Okay, and the higher fence. We're going to say this. So for the lower fence, we have a formula. Okay, so let's say lower fence. We have a formula which is Q1, the first quartile, minus 1.5 IQR. IQR, in fact, is the interquartile range. Okay, it's the interquartile range. And you have the upper fence. Upper fence, which has another formula, which is Q3 plus 1.5 interquartile range. Okay, so we have these two formulae. So in order to calculate these two lower fence and upper fence, we have to calculate the interquartile range, right? So to calculate the interquartile range, we have another formula. So interquartile range it is Q3 minus Q1. Okay. Now we spoke about the percentile earlier, right? So here, you know, the Q3 is 75 percentile and Q1 is 25 percentile. So in order to get the Q3 and Q1, we are required to do the calculation, of course. You remember the formula? So for Q3, let's take it here. Q3, it is 75%, so 75 over 100 times. Here we have how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 numbers. 19 plus 1, which is 20. So which gets us to 15. Okay? 15. And here, what is 15? Remember, 15 is the index position. Index position. Now, let us see 15. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is number 7 in the dataset. So Q3 is 7. Okay? Q3 is 7. Now for Q1. What is the value of Q1? Q1 is 25%. Sorry, 25% times 19 plus 1. What's the number? 5, right? 5. So here is the index position. Let us see number 5, index position 5 on the dataset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at index 5 we have number 3. So our Q1 is number 3. Good, this is how you find out Q1 and Q3. That's why the previous video on percentile was very important. So the interquartile range is, we got our numbers, right? 7 minus 3, which is 4. Okay? Now you have to take this 4, you replace it in the formula here. So let us write it down again. So lower fence is Q1 minus 1.5 times interquartile interquartile range. Okay, so it is 3 minus 1.5. Interquartile range was 4, which gives you a number -3. Okay, you can calculate it and see. Then we have our upper fence. Upper fence is Q3 plus 1.5 interquartile range, which gives you Q3 was 7, right? Q3 was 7, yes. 7 plus 1.5 interquartile range 4, which gave us a number of 13. Okay, so here we say the lower fence is -3 and the higher fence is plus 13. Okay, so above 13 there's an outlier. More than 13 there's an outlier, and here our outlier here is number 27. Why? Because it is more than 13, more than the accepted fence. So this is how it relates to our outlier, how we found out. And lower fence is up to -3. We don't have any number below 1, so no outliers here. Okay, so doing this, we're completing our 5-number summary, you realize. So our 5-number summary, okay, so you have minimum is 1 in the dataset, right? Our Q1, what is the Q1? 3, right? We got 3. Then we have the median. Median is 5. Here, for those who don't know how we got the median, so we have here, so we have 19 numbers. So 19 divided by 2 is 9.5. Okay, so then 9.5, you count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9.5 is here. Okay, so this is the median. So you add these two. 5 plus 5 divided by 2 is 5. So the median is actually 5. Okay. Here also it's a lot about the position to calculate the median. So median is 5. Then we have our Q3, which is 7. And our maximum number here is, what is the maximum number? It is 9. okay, because 27 is our outlier. So it is 9. So that's it, how we get our 5-number summary. I hope you understood and thank you for watching.